Hey guys, if you get something went wrong issue when you're downloading something in Selenium, here's why. First, I'm gonna show you the problem, then I'm gonna solve it, okay? I wrote a code that downloads TikTok videos, so let's set a directory. So if we select something, and as you can see, this is our directory. So when we try to download, as you can see, something went wrong, and it can't download automatically. So what we are gonna do is we need to set the path as the Selenium required. So new path equals input path the replace this to this. It doesn't read the first one, so as you can see, it doesn't read. So we need to use the double slash revert slash. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna run the program. So I forgot that we need to change the paths to new paths. And now we are going to run the program. We're going to select the directory and we try to download again. Download started and done. No worries. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go down below, write your comments, and I will answer them quickly. Anything about code, anything, just write down below. Have a good day.